Well, the Southeast Texas coalition of 6 county judges leading the local battle against COVID-19 tonight, making a major announcement. They say Texas reached its peak of cases on Sunday. KFDM's Angel San Juan joins us now in the studio. The county judge is not ready to lift stay-at-home orders. And Angel, they continue to encourage social distancing.
That's right, Greg. The county judges say the medical community still wants us to stay the course a while longer. That's why there's no set date for non-essential businesses to reopen here locally. But what is opening up for more Southeast Texans is testing for the virus. Standing on the steps of the Jefferson County Courthouse are 4 of the 6 Southeast Texas county judges who have led their communities through the difficult days of a pandemic.
The 6 county judges have been guided by a desire to protect our public's health.
And Monday, the county judges announcing light at the end of what's been a dark tunnel. Texas likely reached its peak of COVID-19 cases on Sunday.
And then we're on the backside of the curve. But because it takes 48 to 72 hours to get the test results in, we won't be able to confirm that for a few days.
What the county judges can confirm is coronavirus testing will now be available to more Southeast Texans, whether or not they have symptoms.
Our criteria will be much less severe at this point going forward, as we found some positives amongst asymptomatic individuals. And I think if we are going to get back to some sense of normalcy and be able to open things up, we're going to need as much information as we can possibly get about the incidence and spread rate of the disease.
The county judges want to follow the path the governor is setting to reopen Texas, but locally, they still don't have a set date.
My desire today is just to ask the public to bear with us a little while longer. We've been asked by local hospitals, the 3 major hospitals, as well as the hospitals in Tyler and Jasper County, to please stay the course for a little while longer, and I'm asking you to do the same.
The county judge is commending Southeast Texans for what they've accomplished.
As we can tell by the numbers that we're finally starting to see, is that what we asked them to do and flattening the curve is exactly what we're starting to see.
We still have a little bit more work to do, but we're making progress. As the judges said, we're able to beat the surge this time, and that's a big key. We've made one of those mandates. We're going to continue to fight. We're going to continue to make this thing right for everybody.
Still, there are some setbacks. Judge Brannick confirmed 4 cases at the Chick-fil-A's in Beaumont, which led to the testing of remaining employees.
And this morning, working with the Beaumont Emergency Operations Center and Altus Healthcare, we tested 114 employees of Chick-fil-A at employees of their 2 locations here in Beaumont. Did want to mention that the owners of the Chick-fil-A's did everything appropriate once they discovered that their employee base had infected individuals, and have taken adequate steps to sanitize their facilities, and are happy for what they've done.
That testing took place Monday at the old Beaumont Fire Station on College Street. Both Beaumont Chick-fil-A restaurants are temporarily closed. Employees must self-quarantine while their tests are pending. Judge Brannick reminding businesses to follow the county judge's orders, which he says are being enforced.
The one that comes to mind is this Cindy store that I had to send a letter to, that thought that they were, which is apparently, they sell FDA-approved prophylactics, and they think that makes them an essential business, and I beg to differ.
County Judge Wayne McDaniel showing us through humor how Southeast Texans always persevere.
And I just want everybody to know I cut my own hair this morning. I did not have anybody else cut my hair, and I have offered to cut Judge Brannick's hair, but he said, I won't tell you what he said, but it ended with no.
We all definitely need haircuts right now. And once again, testing for COVID-19 now open to even those Southeast Texans not showing symptoms, but you must first call the hotline. That number is 409-550-2536. The hotline operates from 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. Monday through Friday. The tests are free. Results are averaging 3 to 5 days. Greg?
Oh, the things we take for granted, not so much anymore.